Hey guys, welcome to my first video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace RAM sticks and a laptop. Now, keep in mind this is an older laptop. This is a 2004 Dell XPS, so if you're planning on using these methods on really new computers like 2010 and up, this method might not work. Now, the first thing you want to do is take out your battery because you don't need to be shocking yourself. And the RAM sticks are located right here. So what you want to do is unscrew these screws holding the panel on. Just lift it up. Here are the RAM sticks right here. Now what you want to do to get them out is just push these two tabs apart, and we'll just push right up. Same thing with this one. Now, I bought these RAM sticks online for $15. This is a 4 GB kit, 2 GB each. And so what you want to do is line up the notches. You just push it in and push down, and you should see these two clip in. Now, these are PC2s, so PC2s are really cheap on eBay right now because new RAM sticks are coming out. Well, they've been coming out, but these are getting really old now. But hey, if you want to upgrade your old laptop, you know, it's cheap. And the reason why I got a 4 GB kit is because I'm not planning on doing any gaming with it. I'm just, just doing some schoolwork and stuff. And so, if you want to do any gaming with it, I would suggest go about 8 or higher. And so, yeah. Just want to put the panel back on. Just push these tabs. And then just reinsert your battery like that, and there you go. That's how you replace RAM sticks and a laptop. And hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope this was helpful to you. Push that like button and subscribe, and later on I'll be showing you guys how to clean out your PlayStation 2s or Xbox 360s. And I'll be mainly posting how to clean out or build or repair parts on your computer as well. And so just leave down in the comments what you want. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.